Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button if you found any kind of value. Make sure to subscribe too, because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on a daily basis, and make sure to turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any. And let's give it a simple, short, and again fun as possible as always. So as you see right here, have 1 inch with the Tether token. Basically 1 inch is sitting at price of right around $3.77. And approximately today we are up 25.45, like nearly 26% to the upside, only today, which is a huge amount of like. I'm pretty happy with how this is moving. We did not actually touch the buy zone, and we started pushing to the upside. So this can make an indicator that the upside moves are on their way. But the thing that I wanna that will solely result a upside move will be if we reach just this point right here. Yeah, this point. And if we reach to that, even just surpass it, we are gonna be keep pushing to the upside, because this is the last higher low right here on the higher time frame. As you can see, we made a higher high, then a higher low, higher high, 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 higher low. Yeah, we made a no, this is a lower low, lower high, lower low. Oh, bro, I know I messed it up, but yeah, like, you get the point. If you surpass that, we are solely gonna be pushing to the upside, just to this level. And yeah, this could be a beautiful trade if you want to like get into. But the point of this video is, should you put 1k of your hard-earned money into 1 inch? The simple answer will be, it depends, but it is yes. It is absolutely yes, because I believe in 1 inch, and there is nothing much I can do about it. I'm very optimistic about that. The project that they're doing, and overall the 1 inch overall crypto, I'm pretty happy with that. But let's just keep the things simple. 1k or $1,000 is not that small amount of money. This is huge amount of money, okay? Not a lot of people can afford that, but in some countries like India, let's say Africa, this is huge amount of money. Maybe even in Europe, like the eastern side, this is quite a lot of money, okay? But the thing is that I would not recommend for you guys to put either eggs into one basket, or I won't recommend you, if this is all your cash, you don't put it all on 1 inch. I will basically say, just diversify, or go into Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic, and the Cardano XRP, and all of the like good projects. Go check the videos out today, because I made videos about them too. But this is just, if this is just a portion of your money, and if you're willing to buy, I would basically say, yeah, go ahead. And the thing is, I will recommend you, go on the higher time frame, like the daily chart, and watch for the dips, as we are right now. And you want to put one portion of your money on the one dip, and put another portion of your money when it dips. And yeah, this is basically for today's video. And if you want to like support the channel, just smash the like button. It will help me out a lot. And if you want to earn some free cash, go like up to $40, go into the links in the description down below, and I will be seeing you guys soon. Peace out and have a great day.